Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 420 A-RGB. Another part for my new PC build has arrived today, so stay tuned, more parts are coming. With a final video, the PC build. Multi-compatible all-in-one CPU water cooler with A-RGB, compatible with A-RGB Gen 2 powered by Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2, MSI Mystic Light Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, Intel 1200 and 1700. I have the Core i9-13700K CPU, so it is compatible. AMD AM4 AM5 on a black color, with a 6-year limited warranty. Arctic addressable RGB, included thermal paste MX5 on a beautiful box. I like this shape. Nice. Liquid Freezer 2 online manual, perfect. Preparation, installation, video guide. Stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. So let's open it. Come on, don't be shy. Wow, it is huge. Wow, so many accessories. One backplate here, backplate nuts 4, rubber O-ring 4 here, screws 30 at the back, thumb nuts 4, 8 standoffs here, flat washers at the back, mounting clips 4, spacers another 4 here, and we have the MX5 paste 0.8 gram. Now let's move on at the water cooling. Wow, it looks beautiful. Nice matte black at the radiator, I like it. It feels very premium. Arctic, it says here. The screw holes for installation at the PC case. The radiator length, it is 458 mm, 138 mm and 38 mm the thickness. High quality tubing with integrated cable management. All the cables are going from the fans here together and with the RGB lighting. There's the RGB lighting connection. The water pump is PWM controlled and adjust its speed accordingly. VRM fan 40 mm, 1000 to 3000 RPM and PWM controlled. Pump cold plate copper with micro skivet fins. Warning, please peel off label before you use it. Okay, sure, I will do that. We can see in the connections here 12 volt 0.7 amp, RGB 5 volt 1.35 amp. Speed from 800 to 2000 RPM for the pump. 4-pin connection for the pump and for the RGB. And here we have the fan, 3 fans, 140mm Arctic P14 PWM A-RGB with speed 200 to 1900 RPM, 4-pin connector. The cables are coming from the fans through the tube here, and then you can connect that at the motherboard. Fluid dynamic bearing fans optimize it for static pressure. Multicolor light effects with the help of advanced A-RGB Gen 2 technology, and customized LEDs. You can design your system with your very own look. I like RGB anywhere. 4 screws for each fan. We can see soft silicone here. Prevents any vibration, and inside here metal here. Overall, I can say it looks nice, good design, good construction. It feels like you have a premium product. Of course, when I'm going to connect it, I will test it, see the temperature with my Core i9 13700K. What is the maximum, what is the lowest temperature. It is one of the parts for my newest PC build. Stay tuned, more are coming with a final video of the PC build. So, until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.